Hello everyone, welcome to the Textile Design with Photoshop. My name is Saide. In this session, I will teach you how to create a square repeat. Making a repeat is one of the most important part of the textile design. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like, please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much and have a good one.
Before I start, I would like to introduce my Instagram page entitled Gilani Design. You can follow the page and see my design over there. And if you have any question regarding to each design and drawing process, ask me and send me a message. To begin the square repeat train, I have prepared one of my design which I drawn with marker technique. Similarly, you can also provide any design you prefer. To start with, the first thing you have to do is choosing the crop tool and cropping the page to the edge of design. Be careful not to cut the design, and if it's happened, and no worries, you can edit your design, but it would be better to not crop the design. Okay, now go to the filter from menu bar and choose the other and then offset. You can see the horizontal and vertical options. That means by moving the lever to the right or left, the design also moving simultaneously. An important hint here is to make sure the wrap around and preview option were checked. It is better to move your design in one direction first and then to the other direction. So I start with moving the design horizontally and then vertically here. To do that, set the vertical option as equal to 0 and move the horizontal lever until find a suitable location. Then select OK. And now you can start to edit your design. Uh, to do that, choose the lasso tool to fill the empty space between forms based on your design and elements that you have in your design. You can choose each form and rotate or move it and put it in a suitable place to cover all the spaces. There are various ways in Photoshop for copying elements. I myself prefer using the shortcut. For example, by pushing Ctrl and Alt key together uh, with clicking on form that I want move and making several copy from it, like this way that I do, and you can see. Another way is to choose forms with lasso or other tools such as rectangular marquee tool and select, and it's going to edit copy, edit paste. This way a copy will be generated from the selected form and can be moved to the right place. But remember that by using this method, each time new layer will be added to the previous existing layer. So at the end of the design, you have to merge all layers together. So this is the why I prefer to use the shortcuts and don't create a new layer. Now I delete the new layer and back to the editing the option. If you need to rotate, any forms, you have to go to edit in menu bar and choose the free transform option, or use Ctrl T or Command T if you use Mac for rotating the elements. By practice, you can move as fast as I do, and here to fill the empty spaces. Again, edit and free transform and rotation. Okay, I think this is good for now. And now similarly for the vertical position, again go to the menu bar and choose filter, then other and offset option. And this time keep horizontal option equal to 0 and play with vertical lever until locate the design in a good position for editing. Okay, and again start editing the designs in this direction. As a designer, whenever you feel your design is good, it's enough, and you don't need to do more edit. Surely it is good, and you can finish your editing design. Okay, after finishing edit in both direction, now our design is ready to be used as a repeat pattern. So by choosing select the menu bar and then all or Control A, choose the whole page. Then from the menu move to edit and define pattern. Then the pattern name windows pops up. You can choose the name for your pattern, or you can keep it with the current name. Then deselect the page by going to the select in menu and deselect option. To bring your design as a pattern in a page, go to the layer window and choose FX in the bottom of the window. Then in the small window which pops up, choose the pattern overlay option, and from the layer style window which pops up in the pattern, choose the last one. And by moving the scale lever, you can change the size of pattern in your page and set it in any scale that you like. Another way to bring your pattern that I explained in the first session and training video is I'm going to deselect from the menu bar, then go to the new layer, make a new layer, and go to the edit and choose fill. To the window pops up under custom pattern section, choose the last square, and which is your design. And this way your design comes up in the whole page as a repeat pattern. I hope you enjoy watching this session. Please practice more and more until you feel comfortable making repeats. If you like this video, please subscribe channel to make sure you will be aware of our further videos. Thank you so much and have a good one.